so 1 round each from each dancer in each style you represent. Let's keep it friendly, keep your hands to yourselves. Let's keep it to the dance floor. This is supposed to dispel violence. We take out our anger through dance and our differences through art. This is what we represent, this is what the UZN represents. So let's keep it friendly. And I want to see you go out, you know. So right now I want to introduce the judges, and they have something to say just really quick, like one thing you're looking for. Yeah, so Mikey Disco, Bayardo, and Smurf.
Good afternoon. My name is Mikey Disco. I'm from Next Drive.
And I'm old, like you guys.
So what we're looking for in this battle is, well, for me personally, I'm going to look for how you interpret the music, and if you're actually going at each other. I'm actually looking for a lot of freestyle. I don't like to see sets, things like that. Connection with the music again. And if it's a 2-on-2, I want to see a connection with your partner. So it's not like you just get any guy and say, hey, let's go team up. You know, that's why it's a 2-on-2. You're supposed to be a team. So those are a few of the things that I'm looking for. And if I need to add an addendum to that, I will do so. So here's Bayardo.
I'm Bayardo, you're not going to try. I'm looking for originality.
My old guy, my name is from Massachusetts. Let's bring one of you guys.
Alright, y'all ready to do this? Dance battle. Can I call up FTC? Where's FTC at? Okay, come right up. Or the city. Alright, going up against Giselle and Jordan.
Hey, so as I said, I'm going to keep adding addendums to it. But since this is a youth battle, I expect you guys to relax and have some fun. So that's one more. That's very important.
All right, hit it. Hey.
Original like Atari, I'm sorry, but dudes ain't to a T, cause they got the feet wet me, I get respect. East West, they be like East West. Okay, yeah, I'm not into it. Stayed on my grind, we get lots of movies, I'm buying out the ball with Battle1. With another heater, you know how we do. Straight on the heater, up in your front, big John Peter. I'm Benito, live from New York City / Puerto Rico. Fresh on the plane from London Heathrow. Nothing but now when I bust my
Next on deck, Blockhead.